Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You first make sure the Lumie is powered and placed correctly. Put it within arm's reach, but not directly facing your pillow. Set the clock and confirm AM/PM so alarms fire when you expect them. Next, pick a wake time and an initial brightness around 10%. This reduces shock. Once done, save the setting. You're starting the programmed light sequence now because gradual light cues entrain your circadian rhythm, which helps you wake more naturally. You now program the alarm itself. Pick a slot and set the exact wake time, plus select which days repeat. Weekdays versus weekends matters. Then set the light ramp duration, commonly 20 to 30 minutes, and choose a gentle sound at medium volume so it complements the light. Make sure gradual ramp is enabled. This sequence increases illumination slowly to trigger waking processes. If the model supports an app, use it now to preview the ramp and save preferences. You finish by testing the full alarm. Run a trial at a nearby time to confirm light intensity, sound, and snooze response. Position the Lumie about 1 to 2 meters from your head and angle it upward so light reaches your eyes indirectly. This ensures effectiveness without glare. Finally, if it doesn't trigger, make sure the unit is plugged in and the time is correct. Reset and reprogram a single alarm to isolate issues. This simple reboot often fixes common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.